Hey, Mr. Ludwig, what are you up to? Hey, I was just looking at this artwork. Students are amazing. They're so creative. That's cool. Hey, Mr. Ludwig, you want to hear a joke or? Okay. Knock, knock. Who's there? Cargo. Cargo who? Car doesn't go who. A car goes beep beep. An owl goes who. Hey, Mr. Ludwig, you want to hear another joke or? Knock, knock. Who's there? Who? Who, who? There you go. That's what an owl says. Who, who? That's funny. Hey, you want to hear a joke? What's an owl's favorite subject in school? Mr. Ludwig, please say, rate that artwork? All right. I better go. Hey students, good to see you again. How about that, Mr. Ludwig? Pretty corny, huh? Well, anyway, I am super excited to delve into this week's lesson. Today, we are going to learn about school mascots and why they are an important part of a school's culture. Check it out. Mascots have been a beloved tradition in schools for many years. Special symbols that represent the spirit and values of the school. They bring a sense of unity and pride to students, teachers, and the entire school community. Mascots are like the symbols that bring everyone together, just like a team. And here's our school mascot, the owl. Owls are a great mascot for online schools. They're wise, they're strong, they're curious, and they're a symbol of unity. In fact, check out this video.
Do you hear that? Who do you think could be up there? I think it's an owl. I love watching all kinds of birds, but owls are some of my favorites. They're quick, they're adorable, and they're some of the best hunters in the whole bird family. And there are lots of different kinds of owls, about 200 species. They range in size from the tiny little elf owl, which is only about 13 centimeters tall. That's about as big as my hand, to the great gray owl, which can be about a meter tall. That's about as big as a 2-year-old kid. Their sizes may be different, but all owls have a few things in common, like the food they eat. Depending on its size, an owl might eat frogs, mice, birds, rabbits, insects, or other animals. But the point is, an owl's food is on the move. So these birds have special features that help them find and eat their prey. For example, when you look at an owl, what's the first thing you notice? Maybe their big round eyes? Owls have 2 eyes that face forward, just like ours do. Some other kinds of animals like fish, chickens, and deer have eyes on the sides of their head. This lets those animals see what's going on all around them at the same time. But owls' eyes, like ours, focus only on what's right in front of them. That's pretty handy if you want to swoop down and catch some food that's on the move. Owls usually hunt at night, so their eyes have to take in a lot of light to help them see in the dark. That's why owls have such huge eyes. But unlike you and me, owls can't move their eyes. Our eyes are, well, balls. They're eyeballs. And you can move them around in your head, like this. We can look left and right, and you might even be able to roll your eyes. But owls can't do any of that. That's because owl eyes are not balls. They're shaped like tubes, and they're held in place by bones. So owls can't roll them around to look at things. Instead, they have special necks that allow them to turn their heads almost, but not quite, all the way around. Can you do that? I can't. So how do owls do it? The secret is in the bones in their neck. These are called vertebrae, and owls have more vertebrae in their necks than we do. Owls have 14 of these bones, while people only have 7. These extra bones let an owl swing its head almost all the way around, which is very useful since it can't just move its eyes when it wants to look at something. But what about when an owl can't see its prey? Like when a little mouse is in a tunnel under the snow, or if a toad is hiding under a pile of leaves. How would an owl find its lunch then? No big deal. If an owl can't see its prey, it can just listen for it. That's because owls have a super sense of hearing. Now, we can't see an owl's ears from the outside. Those things that look like ears on, say, a great horned owl, those are just feathers. But the feathers all around an owl's face are really useful. They help channel sounds into the ears, which helps them to pick up on even the very quietest of sounds. So by using its super sense of hearing, its big eyes, and its flexible neck, an owl can find and catch that hidden prey. Do you have a favorite bird? What do you like about it the most? Let us know, and if you have any questions about birds or bugs or anything at all, just grab a grown-up and let us know in the comments below, or send us an email to kids@thescishow.com, and we'll see you next time.
Now that we've learned a little bit about owls, what makes an owl a great school mascot, especially for Leading Edge Academy online? Number 1, wisdom. Owls are known for their keen sense and ability to see things clearly even in the dark. This reminds us that education helps us see the world in a clearer perspective, just like the owl's sharp vision. Number 2, curiosity. Owls are curious creatures, always exploring and discovering new things. Similarly, we encourage you to be curious learners, asking questions and seeking knowledge. Number 3, strength. Owls are strong and adaptable, just like we need to be when facing challenges and learning new things. They remind us that we can overcome obstacles with determination and resilience. Finally, unity. Owls are often seen as symbols of unity and togetherness, just like how we come together as a school community to support and encourage each other.
Owls truly are incredible creatures. Now, let's move on to the creative part of our lesson. Time to draw an owl together. Follow along with the video and your studio time assignments to create a spectacular owl drawing. Thank you for joining me in this exciting art lesson about our school mascots and the wonderful world of owls. Can't wait to see your incredible drawing. Keep up the great work, stay curious. Oh yeah, I forgot, the joke. What is an owl's favorite subject? Algebra. See you next time.